ZANU-PF Masvingo province is once again demonstrated blind loyalty to President Mnangagwa, urging him to stay in power until 2030 despite widespread economic hardships, social unrest, and government failures across Zimbabwe. Zvinabvina mashoko buda panguva ine tichiona kuti awa ZANU-PF Masvingo province yoindosa Mnangagwa se2030 agenda panguva ine panoitwa kunzi citizens vakuramba vachisafa. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The provincial inter-district meeting held at Masvingo Polytechnic on Friday was dominated by uncritical praise for the president with little regard for the struggles facing ordinary citizens. The province unanimously resolved to push for the implementation of Resolution Number 1 from last year's ZANU-PF Annual National People's Conference, effectively cementing Mnangagwa's grip on power. ZANU-PF Masvingo Provincial Chair Robson Masvingo stated that the ruling party had overwhelmingly agreed the president to remain in office until 2030 and called for relevant government departments to start implementing the resolution immediately. And of course, there is anonymity in the ZANU-PF Masvingo province that President Mnangagwa should remain in office until 2030, he said, highlighting a troubling culture of unquestioning loyalty rather than democratic debate. Critics argue the endorsement exposes a political system that prioritizes party loyalty over citizens' welfare, while ZANU-PF hails its so-called transformative projects and Mnangagwa was pushed toward an upper-middle-income economy. Millions of Zimbabweans continue to face soaring inflation, food insecurity, and collapsing public services. Observers note that events like Masvingo Provincial Meeting serve less as a forum for discussion and more as a platform to rubber stamp the presidency indefinitely, leaving little room for dissenting voices. In a country grappling with widespread hardships, the Masvingo province resolution raises serious questions about the party's commitment to genuine national development, democratic accountability, and the well-being of ordinary citizens. Ndo zviripo panguva ine mhuri yeZimbabwe. Muratidze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pe-this endorsement. Ndakoma section medu kuti mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, short on the bell icon.